Hi guys, it's Bob from Greybeard Models. Welcome back to the channel. First thing I'd like to do is, well, you know what's coming. It's the final reveal of the Tally Ho coach. But what I'd like to say before we go ahead is a massive thank you to everybody that's commented and those of you that have helped and give me advice and all that sort of good stuff. It really has been great. You know, if you haven't seen this before and you haven't been to the channel before, please like and subscribe and help support the channel. Anyway, over to the bench and let's have a look at the Tally Ho coach. Well, here we are. Finally got all of this done. Got all the reins and things all done. I don't know how accurate they are. There was a number of different versions I saw online, but basically I picked this lot. So each horse has got sort of two reins going to its head, and they join and then they go off to the driver, and I think that's fairly okay. And then of course you've got all the passengers and the trumpeter and all of that all sitting there. I've added a whip to the driver. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but there's a whip there in the driver's hand now. So he's got the whip hand, and just did a little bit more touch up on the road surface, a few more puddles and things, just to make out that it's a, you know, a fully sort of muddy road. But that's pretty much the Tally Ho coach and horses done, and I'll put some photographs on at the end of this. So thanks to everybody who's been following it. Thanks to everybody who's been leaving comments and suggestions, and you know, the people that have given me help and advice. It's been really good. Thanks for all of that, and we'll get on to the next build. So thanks for watching, and bye for now.